Hello everybody, this is Eric of our Productions here at the crossing underneath the Pacific Coast Highway here in Wilmington, California. Unfortunately, there is a tank truck blocking the crossing, but you can see the gate there. There is a train coming here soon, and I just wanted to give everyone an update, hopefully see if the gate has been fixed, which I believe it has. There we go. There we go. Surprise, surprise. It is fixed. The gate has been fixed. Again, I apologize for the view. BNSF container train coming up. I'm gonna leave the view right here just because it's better and it's not blocked. Once again, I apologize for the fact that there's a tank truck blocking the railroad crossing. Is just that it looks like they're changing tires there. I think it's yeah, they're changing tires, like tire service. But at least you can see the gates. At least you can see that the gate has actually been fixed. It no longer slams onto the ground like it did in 2015. This container train is headed to port right now. Yeah, it is headed to port. I just don't know which one. Apologies. And I just want to thank everyone who checked out my latest video on the Food for Less. Yes, I understand it. That it's just resources are pretty scarce, and it sounds like another train is coming. I hear another horn. So we're gonna have a meetup here, guys. Two BNSF container trains meeting up here at the crossing underneath Pacific Coast Highway overpass. One going northbound, the other going southbound. Yeah, so again, just talking about the coronavirus. Thanks to everyone who watched the video, and yes, I have read your comments. I totally believe you guys when you say that your stores have also been pretty scarce when it comes to resources. And honestly, I agree with Amrip Dude 499 who said that what's the rush with the toilet paper, right? I mean, it makes sense to buy a lot of hand sanitizer to get water and food, but I just don't get to why we just taking toilet paper like crazy. It's not, because when it comes to viruses, the first thing that comes to mind is sanitation, and sanitation, of course, is achieved through the use of hand sanitizers, disinfecting wipes, and soap. Toilet paper is hygiene, but it's not essential when it comes to keeping off the coronavirus. So I do totally get that, and but anyway, looks like people don't seem to get it. It looks like we're going crazy with the toilet paper too. But yeah, hopefully everyone's doing well, and I hope everyone is staying safe, and because I don't want anybody getting infected or getting hurt, and because from what I've seen and heard, the people who get the coronavirus actually, let's just say, they don't have it pretty well. It's quite a pain. And yep, there they go. They are putting up a new tire, looks like. The second train is slowing down. The first one already passed. The second one looks like it's slowing down. Today is March 19. Well, the date that this video is being filmed is March 19, 2020. So I hope everyone enjoys the video, and sorry about not being able to get a better view. I might try to come again in this crossing if I get the chance to, but for now this is the best I can get. Because I was actually going to park right next to the crossing, but the tank truck was already there when I came here, as you guys saw. But at least we got the chance to see the gates, as well as two trains. And yes, the railroad crossing here is still closed. It's still closed. No idea why it was closed in the first place, but all I know is that it is closed. We got a tank truck coming in the yard here. You can see this is a truck yard here, which I believe is part of oil and petroleum or oil refinery. So that's why you see a couple tank trucks around here. Oh, we got auto racks. Cool. It's been a while since I had an auto rack and container combo here, so I'm actually glad I came here today. And there we go. That's it. Now let's just see the gates go up. And there we go. Sorry, buddy. This is Eric Alfaro Productions, and the gate has been fixed. The gate has been fixed. So, thank you everybody for watching this video. God bless everyone. Stay safe, and I hope to see you soon with more uploads.